Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to text-to-speech in Russian in Murf AI. So, let us begin. Step 1. Begin by navigating to the Explore AI Voices tab on the left side of the studio. Languages are ripe for exploration. I'll opt for Russian to unveil an array of Russian voices. Step 2. Delve into the collection of Russian voices and discover the one that harmonizes with your project. Once you have found your match, simply click Select. Step 3. Shape your Russian script. Populate the text area with your Russian script. Craving more dynamics? Adjust the speed, insert pauses, and tailor it to your liking. Step 4. Experience the transformation. Eager to hear your Russian text come alive? A simple click on Generate Audio conjures the magic. With just a few clicks, you have turned text into captivating Russian speech, all thanks to the enchantment of Murf AI. I hope this video aids you. Thank you for watching, and until next time.